beautiful souls, and welcome back to Perimenopause, your safe space to explore, learn, and transform through the transitions of womanhood. I'm Dr. Sulbha Arya, your perimenopausal and woman identity coach, and a fellow traveler on this midlife journey where body, mind, and soul all demand a little extra love. Today's topic is the one that I have been wanting to explore deeply: pollution detox for perimenopausal women. It's that time of the year again where the air feels heavier, not with winter chill, but with pollution, with the AQI levels across the northern belt hitting 300 to 400, and with every breath we are inhaling fine particulates with the particulate matter between 2.5 to 10, composed of carbon soot, heavy metals, nitrates, and sulfates, pollutants that penetrate deep into our respiratory system. Our lungs were never meant to handle these. And these aren't just harming your lungs, they are interfering with your hormones, damaging your mitochondria, and speeding up the aging. If you're feeling more fatigued, foggy, bloated, or your skin has lost its glow, it's not just the hormones. Pollution adds an invisible layer of stress on your already changing system. But here's the beautiful part: our grandmothers always knew this. Indian kitchens have been quietly guarding superfoods for centuries, which are helpful for pollution. And today we'll explore them through science, Ayurveda, and daily rituals that fit the modern life. Let's start with our first layer. I'll be telling you about certain Indian kitchen ingredients which help protect against pollution. And each of these ingredients works like a detox shield, supporting your liver, lungs, and gut, the three pillars of your body's cleansing system. So let's begin. Ginger, or the adrak. This humble root isn't just for chai. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, increases glutathione, and opens up airways. Studies show that ginger enhances liver enzymes that detoxify pollutants. Then turmeric, or the haldi. It has a golden compound called curcumin, which neutralizes the free radicals and blocks inflammatory pathways triggered by pollution. It also supports bile flow, which is how the toxins exit your body. Black pepper, Kali Mirch. This tiny spice has a giant role. It enhances the nutrient absorption and boosts the curcumin effect by a whooping 2000%. Yes, it also wakes up sluggish digestion, a key for hormone balance and toxin clearance. Then bay leaf, or the tej patta. This is often ignored in biryani, but this leaf is rich in cineol and eugenol, both of which protect your bronchial cells and reduce congestion. Then turmeric, or the imli. This is one of the most powerful natural chelators, meaning it binds with heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and fluoride and helps your body excrete them. Then coriander, or the dhania, both of which in leaf form or seed form, it binds with mercuries and support the kidneys in flushing the toxin. It is also cooling for pitta, so it is ideal for perimenopausal women experiencing heat or irritability. Then tulsi, or the holy basil, this is a sacred herb for a reason. Tulsi protects both your lungs and your liver, reduces inflammation, and even prevents DNA damage from toxins. Then amla, or the Indian gooseberry. It is the vitamin C queen. Amla rebuilds your antioxidant stores that pollution depletes and helps repair skin, lungs, and boosts your immunity. Then flax seeds, chia seeds, or the sabja seeds. They are rich in omega 3 and help to reduce cytokine storms, those inflammatory cascades triggered by the air toxins. Mimosa pudica seeds, or the touch me not plant seeds. When used cautiously, they act like a magnet for toxins in the gut. In Ayurveda, it is used for pitta grahani and removes excess heat and inflammation in the intestine. These aren't just ingredients, they are intelligent medicines gifted by nature to us. So let's understand how this magical kitchen chemistry works. The human body detoxifies through five primary organs: liver, lung, kidney, gut, and skin. So, when pollution enters, it damages the cells through oxidative stress. Too many free radicals, but not enough antioxidants. But these foods they help in five mechanisms. First, liver detoxification. This is where the fat soluble toxins are converted into the water soluble ones for elimination. The foods that will help with this are ginger, turmeric, black pepper, and amla. Then antioxidant defense. They neutralize the free radicals before they damage the DNA. Amla, tulsi, turmeric, and coriander are very helpful for this. Chelation of heavy metals. They bind to metals and escort them out through urine or bile. Turmeric, coriander, and mimosa pudica seeds are particularly helpful. Then lung cleaning. It cleans the mucus, opens up the airways, and improves the ciliary motion. The ciliaries, they are the little hair-like structure that push the pollutants out. Your bay leaf, tulsi, and ginger are particularly helpful for this. Then your gut detoxification. This supports a healthy bowel movement, which is your number one toxin exit route. Turmeric, mimosa pudica, flax seeds, and chia seeds are particularly helpful. When these mechanisms are supported daily, your hormones they will definitely stabilize, skin brightens, the fatigue reduces even in the polluted environments. Now let's turn this wisdom into practice through five easy Indian recipes. The tamarind rasam. This is excellent for pollution detox. Tamarind chelates metals and black pepper and turmeric combo supports your liver detox. Drink it while it's still warm after exposure to smoggy days. It's tangy, it's comforting, and it's deeply cleansing. Then your tulsi, ginger, tej patta detox tea. Boil ginger slices, tulsi, bay leaf, and black pepper for 10 minutes only. Add a dash of lemon honey. After cooling, it's perfect ritual after a day of outdoor exposure. This tea opens airways, supports antioxidants, and calms inflammation. Then your amla coriander detox chutney. This chutney not only supports chelation, but it is also very rich source of vitamin C. One spoon daily keeps your antioxidant army strong. Then your mimosa pudica seed detox. Mix half a teaspoon of mimosa pudica seed in lukewarm water. Drink on empty stomach once a week. It is to be avoided during pregnancy or if you are on heavy medication or if you have regular complaints of constipation. So, my dear friends, detox is not about deprivation, it's restoration. Now, turmeric, flaxseed, and jaggery laddus, made by mixing roasted flaxseed powder, jaggery, turmeric, black pepper, and ghee. These laddus reduce inflammation and help with constipation. One small ball a day is both medicine and a treat. So, dear listener, remember, pollution may be out of our control, but our response to it is fully within our power. Every sip of rasam, every cup of tulsi tea, every bite of amla, it's not just detox, it's self respect. You're telling your body, I see you, I care for you, and I will not let this world's chaos dull your inner glow. So, if this episode resonated with you, please like, save, and share it with another woman who's breathing the same air and deserves the same love. And if you would like to go deeper into the perimenopausal detox, hormonal harmony, and midlife reinvention, join my WhatsApp community, the Redefined Circle, where we share daily rituals, recipes, and soulful conversations on how to redefine yourself from within. Until the next time, take a deep breath, hold gratitude in your heart, and keep redefining your beautiful self.